Welcome to Tips and Tricks for May 2025. This month we will learn how to expand your use of the UnForm Image Manager to automate data entry.
In today's tips and tricks, we will review how to expand your use of UnForm Image Manager to automate data entry. In addition to capturing index data used to store and retrieve documents, UnForm's Image Manager can also be used to automate data entry. Paper transactions, including but not limited to accounts payable invoices, purchase order acknowledgments, and customer purchase orders, can be automatically processed to create electronic transactions for submission to your ERP, ultimately increasing productivity and enhancing data accuracy so that you can focus more time on value-added tasks instead of on your keyboard. In this example, a vendor invoice is automatically captured from an UnForm monitored email box. Note that it is a single PDF that contains multiple invoices. As the document is captured, the sender is identified based on document content, and the appropriate Image Manager job definition runs. The PDF is split into individual invoices, and the document data is extracted. Image Manager uses multiple technologies, including PDF text extraction and optical character recognition to extract the data. Validations then confirm the accuracy of the data. Documents that pass validation are automatically processed, and any exceptions are flagged for review and correction. After the data is extracted and validated, it is formatted based on the requirements of the target ERP. XML BODs, EDI.dat files, CSV, and text files are typical examples of Image Manager transaction output. If needed, a three-way match can be performed for trade invoices, and expense invoices can be routed for approval and GL assignment prior to submission to AP. APIs, file transfer, and Cirrus print are some of the methods that can be used to submit the electronic transaction. The result is less time keying and greater transaction accuracy.
Thank you, Paul. You can learn more by going to the UnForm support portal. The link is in the description below. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tips and tricks, contact Dan Schmitt at dans@synergetic-data.com. For UnForm Tips and Tricks, thank you. We'll see you next month.